Hi, I'm Max Mishakov and this is my singing tutorials channel. Today's question sounds like this. I have found my mixed voice in this light head voice position, but I can't add my chest voice. I either yell or stay in my head voice, and I don't understand how to add chest into that. So I have some extra exercises for you, but first of all I want to explain you that if you want to add your chest voice, you should understand that you need put some energy into it. You can't switch from head to chest without putting more energy into it, without more breath support. So when you add your chest voice, it requires more breath support. Okay. So one of my students, when he says that he can't add his chest voice, he sounds like this, like so he doesn't understand that you should adding the chest voice comes together with putting some breath support into. So let's start from the beginning. Breath support. First of all, relax your belly and your abdominal muscles, and then do this exercise. You might know this exercise. And pay attention to the feeling. Pay attention to which muscles are included when you do this. So again, relax your belly, relax your abdominal muscles, and remember which muscles start working. Then do something, then do this. Just blow. Again, remember the muscles that start working. And once you have remembered the feeling, then I will show you the exercise. I call it motorbike. So we start playing quints. You're in G sound. And then imagine that you're mimicking the engine of a motorbike. Then higher. Then higher. Pay attention to that it sounds with more energy. This energy is your breath support. So you can get higher, and you will feel how your breath support works when you try to add more chest voice in your higher notes. And you put and you include your motorbike exercise. And now I want to show you one more exercise. I call it the mosquito. So when you're in your head voice, it sounds like a mosquito is far away from your ear, like when the mosquito kind of gets closer to your ear, it starts sounding more impudent, and when you mimic it, you include your chest voice. This is how you can add your chest voice with breath support. these are the exercises that I made up for you. So thank you, write your questions, see you soon.